너가 좋아 한 병 더가 좋아 막걸리를 어제 너가 빚은 예술은 잠깐만.
Where are you going today?
We are going to have some makgeolli
Makgeolli.
since it's raining.
Yeah.
Wow.
Some makgeolli.
Really?
Yeah.
Does makgeolli has? I mean,
Kimchi-jang.
does makgeolli have anything to do with the rain?
Yes. We heard that Koreans are always eating like kimchi-jang and drinking makgeolli while it's raining.
Yeah.
Wow, you guys
It's the
become traditional Korean.
Yeah.
Not just Korean, but traditional Korean. Young generations and young guys no more says that it's makgeolli time on rainy days.
Yeah, true.
exactly.
Now we know.
Where are you guys from?
Hungary.
Azerbaijan.
너를 보고 있으면 아직도 내 얼굴에 미소 있어 한 병 더가 좋아 막걸리를 두 병 더가 좋아 막걸리를 나는 너가 좋아 막걸리 한 병 더가 좋아 Like we got each other 흔들려도 밸런스 잡아 마치 슬로우 댐처럼 기다렸다가